escape. The great escape.
Here he comes.
The old fella. Where is he? Someone shouldn't have left the gate open.
Come on!
Where is he? Go down, I'll walk back with him.
You come on, mate.
Yeah, I don't want a car coming up over the hill cleaning him up, that's the thing. The way they come up here. Just go a bit quicker, please. That'll do.
You coming home? We finished your walk after dinner.
You had your after dinner walk, Waldo. And you're wrong side of the track. There's a car coming here now. Come on. Come on. Quickly. Come on. That's the boy. I knew there was a car coming. Home time. Come on, not that way. Up here. Come on, your mate's up here. The fly's bothering you. Come on. Quick. Waldo, come on. Come on. Good boy. Come on in here. Quickly. Waldo, here, come on. Come on.
Come on.
Off you go, quick.
You daggy, you went for a big walk. Here they come. Come on. Come on.
Come on.
Come on. Everybody's been looking for you.
Your mate missed you. He said, where you been, Waldo? Oh, they all missed you. Here comes Boo. There's your home. Good boy. Go and get a drink.